Hi, I want to show you the latest house we just bought, and we bought it during these times. It's got a lot of city violations, and because I'm a licensed contractor, I'm able to work with the city to get those resolved so the old owner doesn't need to worry about those at all. And we're going to get started on it. The boys are here with their trucks doing the clean out right now. We're going to take you inside. We've done a little bit of cleanup, but not much, and you can see that I'm not afraid of any house. I'll buy any house in any condition. Hi, so first of all, I want to let you know that nothing scares me, okay? Now this is probably one of the worst houses, and your house probably isn't nearly this bad, but if you pan up for me there, Aaron, you can see that this house had a fire, and the family was on vacation. Some kids were smoking, and caught some rags and stuff on the outside of the house on fire. Fire went up into the roof, and then by the time they got here, the water damage and everything was unlivable. And then vandals come through and just tossed everything, trying to find valuables in the house. But we're buying this house as is. The owner does not even need to show up here anymore. I'm going to find all the pictures and all the precious keepsakes for his family, and give him an opportunity to pick and choose what he wants. But other than that, he does not need to come back here again. So nothing scares us. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed what we had to say and show you. Tune back in a couple months and you'll see the project all completed up. Hey, if you have any questions or you just want a no obligation quote on your situation, please give us a call. We're available 24/7 almost, 916-476-2381. Again, thanks for seeing the show, and tune back in to see the after.